welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Last time I showed you how to prepare baked gołąbki. This time I would like to show you a variation of that recipe, basically stuffed paprikas. It's a bit more expensive, but it takes much less time to prepare. So let's start.
First, start with cooking the rice. It takes the longest, so make sure that you follow the instruction on the box. While the rice is cooking, we're gonna prepare the meat. So chop some onions and peel and chop the garlic. Heat up the frying pan, put some olive oil, and make sure that the olive oil heats up as well. Add the onion and then add the garlic at the end. Let it fry for 3-4 minutes until it's yellow. Don't put it into brown, and then add the meat. Separate it into little pieces so it cooks evenly. Add some salt and pepper, some thyme, and some spiced paprika or chili. Do not cook the meat all the way through. To finish up your stuffing, add the rice with the meat. What you can do, you also can add some mushrooms if you like them. To prepare your paprikas, cut the top of the paprika in half and then decore the seeds from the paprika. Next, put the paprikas into heat-resistant dish. Preheat your oven into 400 Fahrenheit, which is about 200 Celsius, and start to put the stuffing into the paprikas. When they're all done, put the heads back on top of the paprikas and put them in the oven. First for about 8 minutes without foil, then cover them for about next 10 to 15 minutes with foil.
Don't forget to check out the two sauces that you can use with gołąbki and stuffed paprikas, mushroom and tomato. Thank you for being with me today. SMACZNEGO and see you next time. Bye bye!